70 peso mango. Only 70 peso. Oh, 140. Shaira, Thailand have same.
Yes, this one.
This manga same in Thailand we bought before.
Yes.
How much?
70 pesos.
Only 70 peso. Okay. So in the April, end of April in the Philippines can buy mango.
Yes.
Season mango. Okay.
Middle of April already start.
Middle of April start. Good. Also can buy juice here. Mango juice. Watermelon juice. In the Philippines everywhere have same shop. In the side of the road. You can see side of the road. And people can stand and drink if hot. Can drink juice. Excuse me, how much is juice mango? 20. Depend on the size. Big 40, small 20. Okay, one small. Without ice. Real juice from the mango. Oh, very good. Okay, thank you.